Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to run Kali Linux and VMware. Go to your browser, write kali.org, official website of Kali Linux. Click on download, install images and virtual machine. Click on recommended. So if you want to download 32-bit or 64-bit, I will download 64-bit. So click on download. Download is now starts. I already downloaded, so I cancel it. If you have slow internet connection, then you have download via torrent. So here is our VMware AMD file, virtual machine file. So right click, extract here. This is compress file. It will take some time, please wait. Extracting is now complete. Go to VMware. Here click on open a virtual machine. Do not create a new virtual machine. Click on open virtual machines. Click on Kali Linux and select. After selecting, just play virtual machine. So here username Kali and password is also Kali. After login, so our Kali Linux is now successfully run on VMware. File system, home, trash, an application, terminal. So password Kali. ls pwd complete list. So here it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.